What's the meaning of biker? Biker. Biker.
Biker. Biker. The term biker typically refers to a person who rides a motorcycle as a primary mode of transportation or as a recreational activity. Bikers are often associated with a distinct subculture, which includes specific fashion styles, behavior norms, and values. This subculture is often characterized by a sense of rebellion, freedom, and camaraderie among its members. Bikers are also commonly perceived as adventurous individuals who value the open road and the thrill of riding. However, it should be noted that not all motorcyclists identify as bikers, and the term can have different connotations depending on the context in which it is used.